Hi guys, it's Diamond and today I will make a custom Hobonichi cover, and this cover, because she wants is all it just change all my original pocket that in my Hobonichi edition. So she want the pocket all in custom. So she has draw a picture to me, and because I had read the notes from her, and then she said about the wing pocket and something. So I already cut the wing pocket here, and after cutting the layers and prepare all the materials here, and I just send message to her and ask her is that means you want the wing pocket to instead my original pocket? But she said, oh sorry, because she don't know why she said wing pockets too, but that's fine because I already cut it, and I think, and she just immediately to send me a paper, to send me a design she draw to me, and that is very easy pocket in her design. But I'm thinking that's fine. I already cut the wing pocket here. Why I can just add it to her, and it will be more beautiful and be the same, and will be in the same future she want. So now I want to make this to her, and I hope she will love it. Okay, so let's make it now. See you later. Hi guys, I'm back. And we can see here is the glassy old board, and because she wants the cover to be thin, so I had already cut it thinner. Yes, you can see. Let's compare. In the original thickness, it's like these coasters. This is the original thickness, and because she want to make it thinner, so you can see the edge just like only the not only half. Yes, more than half, you can see. Yes, so but it's still very beautiful in the surface. Yes, because the glassy old boot is smooth leather and very sturdy, and it's not so floppy like the old boot, and it's just a very sturdy and a smooth leather. Yes, so you can see even it's thinner now, but it's still very good. Yes, and the inside she want to change like mist cover the inside, the 3 cardstock in the back, and in the front she was wonder just only a front pocket here, but I already cut the wing pocket and I just don't want to waste it, so I add it onto her. So this is the custom wicks cover. Yes, so it's very beautiful, and because I usually to use the tabs to glue to stick on the leather, because when I stitching I want to protect the leathers, so I just take off the stick, and later I will just put always on, and the mark will just disappear. Yes, so you can see here it's just very beautiful too. Yes, and the thickness just like this, and you can see the edge polish it is just shiny. Yes, it's very shiny. Yeah, so this is the Hobonichi today, and with a button closure, and it will be shipped to UK. So Barbara, if you are looking this video, and this is your cover, which you will like it, and which you guys will love the video too. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.